Okay, here I want to show you how Danfoss automatic bypass works for Icon2 smart control system. Here we have one actuator open, and as we can see with flow meter, flow is going into one circuit, but there is no demand from the room thermostats. We still have flow for heat pump to have circulation, and in case it would like to defrost, it will always have flow. So here it is how it works. Danfoss automatic bypass for Icon2 smart control system, and this feature is only available with new Icon2 controller. Basic or extended, doesn't matter, they both have this feature. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.